Welcome back to my channel. Hey friends, today I am at a feature on our channel. This is the feature, this sound. Would you like this? Okay, wait fast. Subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Don't forget the bell icon to receive all notification on new tips and tricks and some items and explore. Now yours. Would you like this voice comment and any information? Message me on Insta or Facebook Messenger. Facebook name Ashbin P Ajeesh, spelling as HBIN.P.AJEESH, or Insta go to the search bar and type our channel name Tech2am, spelling TECH space TO space am, and message me. I made some videos in this channel, please support, and my name is Ashbin P Ajeesh. Friends, this video disclaimer attached to I button, but I am saying for you disclaimer, I make videos only to entertain viewers, not to harass anyone, so be cool. Copyright disclaimer under section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowances made for fair use for purposes such as criticism and commenting and news reporting and teaching and scholarship and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit and educational or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. My video has no negative impact on the original works, it would actually be positive for them. Tech2am team, any other suggestion, drop the link given below. Thanks for subscribe, view my all videos, subscribe and support, please share and comment and like, don't forget the bell icon to all. Thanks for your visiting. Any information to email, click on the word email below my WhatsApp chat only number. Coming soon by Tech2am. Thanks for watching my video.
Please.
ആ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ബട്ടൺ ഒന്ന് നിൽക്കാൻ പറയൂ.
ഞാൻ നോക്കാം. നല്ല കവള